It is a good day for 313 and Smoke Barbecue because their brand new TMG 250 is about to get loaded on a trailer, shipped across the country to them. So let's check it out. So we got our 250 on the off-road package. Of course, guys, we got those upgraded wheels and tires from our guys mods down in Texas. Hey, y'all know the deal. We have the baddest wheels and tires on our rigs. Fully fabricated axles, front and rear. We got the brace underneath. On the smoker itself, fold down stack, guys, that is standard on every tank smoker we build. You get the fold down stack. Now on the 250, the counterweights are an option. They make it very easy to open and close those doors. Not necessary, but they do make it easy. On the cooking grates, we got 3 grates on the bottom. They are removable, and then of course 2 sliding top trays. That is all standard equipment. We got the fire poker in there as well. We have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there for easy cleanup. Then on the firebox here, we got the 313 and Smoke custom stainless steel logo there. Cut that out for them on our CNC table. Open up the firebox here. Fully insulated firebox, guys. Every tank smoker we build gets a fully insulated firebox. Doors insulated. Front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Just makes it run like a dream. And we got D-ring tie down points, 1 on each corner. Makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. Now folks, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.